It's hard to believe that such a small piece of metal can leave such a huge impact on one's living. These are titanium-based prostheses, manufactured using the latest 3D alloy printed technology. A team of experts from different disciplinaries, such as biomedical, material, and mechanical engineering, comes together to craft medical-grade prostheses and surgical equipment through cooperation between Meticuly and doctors in leading medical centers. It is ensured that our meticulously crafted products are biocompatible with our patients. Our process starts from acquiring relevant patient-specific data in a form of MRI or CT scan. We then proceed to analyze the data extensively before designing each prosthesis. Material, size, and shape are all selectively considered and adjusted to fit anatomy of each patient. The designs are then sent to corresponding surgeons for approval or revision as deemed necessary. Upon approval, our manufacturing process starts from printing, polishing, cleaning, sterilization, and checking for conformance with international standards. All processes are executed in an ISO-certified ISO 13485 environment in accordance with the Thai FDA. Our solution facilitates surgeons' preoperative planning, aids them to make effective decisions, and reduce time spent during operations. It is our pride to represent leading Thai healthcare industry with the sole purpose in improving Thai's living for better quality of life. The move of your life. We want to return your life back as soon as possible. Meticulously crafted human bones for better lives.